Meaning of furtive.
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 Furtive. Furtive is an adjective that describes something that is done in a secretive or sneaky manner. It often refers to actions that are intended to conceal one's true intentions or activities. A furtive glance or movement might suggest someone is trying to hide something or avoid being noticed. The word can also be used to describe a person who is trying to be covert or surreptitious. Overall, furtive connotes a sense of stealthiness or subterfuge, and often carries a negative connotation.